हार्दिक बधाई।
हेलो सुभाष भैया, नमस्ते। कैसे हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Birthday, Papa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Papa! Happy birthday to you! Cha cha cha!
Any messages?
We're missing you this year for Diwali and birthday. We wish you were here.
Yeah. See you soon. We'll celebrate together soon.
ठीक है.
प्रिय सुभाष, तुम्हारे 75वें जन्मदिन पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जीवेत शरदः शतम शतम, सुदिनम सुदिनम जन्मदिनम, सर्वदा भवतु मंगलम। प्रभु तुम्हें लंबी आयु दें, उत्तम स्वास्थ्य दें और जीवन खुशियों से भरा रहे।
हेलो भाई साहब, wish you a very happy birthday and many, many more to come. Bhai Sahab, you have been a source of inspiration to me and to many others and guided us into yoga and holistic healing. Bhai Sahab, please continue to guide us. May the Almighty always keep you warm and protected. And Bhai Sahab, once again, wish you a very happy birthday and may you always find joy, peace, happiness and keep spreading happiness all around. Once again, Bhai Sahab, a very, very happy birthday and many, many more to come. Cheers, Bhai Sahab. Enjoy your day today and have a splendid future ahead.
Go! Happy birthday, Baba! Happy birthday, Baba! Have a great 75th birthday! Yes, have a great one! We can't wait for you to come and take us to the park. Yeah. You're just repeating
And we'll have
everything I'm
lots
saying.
of fun.
Happy birthday!
Happy 75th birthday. We're gonna throw a big celebration for you next year. Hopefully.
Nana Namaste. Wish you a very happy 75th birthday. I'm happy to be a proud junior of yours from Roorkee and hope to see you there again. It's been very long since you've come this side and also that we've been in the same place in Roorkee. I remember attending your yoga sessions in campus and sharing your Nigam room, NC Nigam guest house room with you in my 4th year also. So let's do that sometime again soon. I've also been few years since I've been to campus, so let's hopefully do that soon after this COVID ends.
Babuji Namaste. Happy birthday.
Babuji Namaste. Happy 75th birthday.
My dear and respected Bhaiya, today I got a message from Pallavi. She asked me to say something about you. She's making some video on the occasion of your 75th birthday. I congratulate you on the occasion and wish you a very happy birthday. I would love to say that you have been very much worried about my studies and career, but I could not fulfill your dreams, what you dreamt for me. Anyway, you have been always with me, and with your kind help on the various occasions, I got very much what I am today, a very, very big part you have played. You have done your efforts to I'm getting I can understand my feelings, and I would wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thanks for me. Thanks for being with me always. I love you. Thank you. Bye.
birthday, Chacha ji.
Namaste, Chachi. Wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you that you stay happy and healthy and blessed always, and keep on blessing us.
Namaste, Chacha ji. Happy birthday. Wish you a very happy 75th birthday. Although मेरे को आज से 45 साल पुरानी बात ज़्यादा याद है, खेतरी की, आपको भी याद आ गया होगा मेरे ख्याल से, इतनी दिन काफ़ी है इसमें. Second thing which I remember is जब 84 में बॉम्बे गए थे, at that time you were materials manager in Morarji Mills. So when I went to your office, उस समय एक दिमाग में रहा कि मेरे को भी अपना करियर मटेरियल्स में बनाना है. All those things change हुई. I joined marketing, but ultimately now after 25 years of my career, I am again into procurement and international procurement. So could be उस समय का 84 का जो चीज़ थी वो आज दोबारा से कहीं ना कहीं लाइफ में दोबारा आ गई है. Thank you. At times I used to think कि I will build up a career like you, and I'm not sure कि whether वो उसी लाइन्स पे रहा या नहीं, but still it was, I think कहीं ना कहीं एक इंस्पिरेशन थी. Wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you.
नमस्ते चाची जी, जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आप स्वस्थ रहें और आपका आशीर्वाद हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे.
सुभाष मामा जी बचपन से ही मेरे आइडियल रहे हैं, और मैंने उन्हीं को देखकर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग करी. उन्होंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग करी थी तो मैंने भी सोचा मैं भी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग करूं. हाँ, ये बात अलग है कि बाद में मुझे ऐसा रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैं एक इंजीनियर मटेरियल नहीं हूँ, बट फिर भी इंजीनियरिंग कर ली. बचपन से आज तक हमेशा सुभाष मामा जी से बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने. हमेशा वो मेरे फ्रेंड, फिलोसोफर, गाइड रहे, और हमेशा बहुत प्यार दिया उन्होंने मुझे, हमेशा बहुत गाइडेंस दी उन्होंने, बहुत मेरा ख्याल रखा। मैं इस बात को कभी भूल नहीं सकता और मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करूँगा कि वो इसी प्रकार, जिस प्रकार से वो अभी भी हम लोग को सबको प्यार और अपना आशीर्वाद देते हैं, वर्षों तक अपना प्यार और आशीर्वाद हमें देते रहे। नमस्ते।
Hello भैया, I met you first time in 1969 Muzaffarnagar, then in Mumbai in 1983, and since then you have been my role model, mentor, friend, philosopher, guide, the best friend I will say. And we got married and you became, and Bhabi, our sole supporter how to live life and guide us. When Arnesh was so small, you're the only house we came. Today on your 75th birthday, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Good health, happiness always.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Bhaiya, and good health, and keep smiling as you always do, and keep guiding us, and we always look forward to you and your support in everything we do. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.